value sets now. For value sets are a domain of values, the set of values that may be assigned to the attribute for each individual entity. So if you have like a student, you are going to have attributes, right? So if you have some kind of entity, you have your attributes, and then these attributes can have value sets or like ranges where it can be. For example, for the age of an employee, we can have the integer between 16 and 70. So like if you apply to a company and you're too young, you fall outside of that value set. Or if you're too old, you fall outside of that value set. Now for figure 2.6.1, if we scroll up just to get a refresher on it, it's right here. We have a student and it has majors. Now the major is a multi-valued attribute because of the double circled. So that means this student has more than one major. This means that if we look back down here, we have to have at least two majors. And so this has to be an existing major. And we can put this in a specific range. So if this student is a STEM student, this would be kind of like our value sets. We would have STEM value set. It's not displayed in the ER, which is the entity relationship diagram, but it is shown in the implementation model, and we will look at this soon. That's it for our value sets. Previously, we've done a lot with keys, we've done a whole lot with entity types, entity sets, and we've done a lot more with attributes and entity relations. So that's just a little reminder, refresher. Next, we're going to be looking at an example for our entity relationship diagram for an entity, and then we are going to move on to relationships.